Students, please watch the video carefully before starting the bag. So what you will need is an old t-shirt, a pair of scissors, and around 6 to 7 pins and a ruler. Okay, so now you're going to cut along the line that you can see. Just cut off the sleeve along the line. You don't need the sleeve. The same thing on the opposite side. Cut off the sleeve. Okay, so now you will fold the t-shirt in half like this. Now take your pins, pin the t-shirt in such a way that it will form a U. Now we are doing this so that the t-shirt doesn't move when we cut. So you pin them like this from the side till the top in a U shape. You can see that it's forming a U. So I'm going to cut along the line that the pin is forming. And we don't need this part. Now you can remove the pin from the t-shirt. Now move to the bottom of the t-shirt. You have a thick lining there which you do not need, so you're going to cut that lining first. The thick lining at the bottom of the t-shirt, you don't need it, so cut it off and just trim your t-shirt a little bit. If it's not in line, just trim a little. Okay, so now first cut the side slit a little, not too much, a little, both the sides, maybe around 5 centimeters. Cut the sides like that. And for the next step, you'll need a ruler and a pencil. Place the ruler around 5 centimeters away from the bottom of the shirt. Like this. You can use a small ruler if you have no problem. Around 5 centimeters away from the bottom of the shirt, the bottom line. Like this. You can take a pencil and draw a line, or if you have a chalk, you can just mark the line there. We are doing this so that we have a guideline till where we need to cut all our slits from the bottom. So I'm using a pencil here and I was able to see the mark, so it is not an issue. You can use a pencil. So just draw it a little dark so that you can see the line. Now hold both the t-shirts up and the bottom layer and cut 1 centimeter layers like this, 1 centimeter slits. So they are 1 centimeter apart from each other. You can just keep the tip of your finger and measure. Each one is, see, my thumb is measuring it, so I'm just keeping that 1 centimeter mark, cutting slits till the line. Cut it all the way till the line that you've drawn and repeat the same till you finish cutting the whole of the t-shirt bottom. Okay, now you can see there is one upper layer and the lower layer. You'll have to tie a knot. Now at this point, don't get confused with all the slits. Next, again, up layer, the upper layer and the lower layer, you'll have to tie it together. Tie at least 2 knots so that it is tight enough and it doesn't loosen. Then the next upper layer and the lower layer. See that you don't take the upper layer and the lower layer of the other one. It should be the same one that you've cut. Move away the ones that you've tied the knot, just move it away. Now again, take the next upper layer and the lower layer, tie knot. at least 2 knots, and repeat the same till you finish the whole of tying the slits. Again, please don't get confused. Move away the ones that you've tied and then continue. Don't do a zigzag tying. You can see that I'm moving away all the ones that is tied and I'm taking the rest of it layer by layer. You will finish the whole t-shirt. Don't pull it too much so that it tears, just a little. Upper layer and the lower layer. Now as you keep finishing, you have more chances of getting confused. To move away the ones that you've finished and tie the rest. Now there are chances that the lower layer gets folded up, so just bring it down and tie it like this. Make sure you're tying the right ones and just finish it off like this. Okay, so now your bag is ready. You can put some stuff inside and hang it. Now all I want you to do is take a photo of this, post it in the class notebook in our art team, craft team for grade 9. Thank you, students.